Welcome to 12 Bikes! Yan guys, meron tayong GT La Bomba Pro. Ito yung isang version ng GT La Bomba Pro na naka-dirt na RST, fork, and mechanical brakes. So yun lang yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang model ng La Bomba Pro. This one is only 39,990 sale price. Yan. So ito naman yung isa. Yon. Ito yung second version ng La Bomba Pro. Ang pinagkaiba nga lang nila is yung fork nito is Manitou na DJ. Alam mo ito yung signature niya eh. Pag alam mo Manitou, nasa likod yung arc. Yan, di ba? And hydraulic brakes na Tektro. So this one is 49,990 ang sale price. Naka 3-piece crank and the tires alloy frame. Tapos GT components na. Yan. Yun yung pinagkaiba nila ng dalawang model. Yung unang model is 39,990 naka-RST fork and mechanical brakes. This one is 49,990. Ito yung hydraulic brakes with Manitou na fork. Alright? So PM lang kayo guys. Thank you.